In the test department, our demonstrator, Billy Bunter, is relaxing by the pool and pondering a piece of scientific wisdom handed down to him by his mum.
Swimming after a large meal is dangerous.
Everyone knows it, but even though Billy's looked through a large amount of medical literature, he cannot find a study that confirms it. At which point, a little light bulb is switched on. Let's do an experiment. Cue a very large meal. Estimated calorific value, 2,300 calories. This is the classic scientific way to prove a theory. The idea of the experiment is as soon as Billy Bunter is full of pastry, fat, and leftover bits of pig, he'll dive in. Either he'll be fine, or his mother will be proved right.
You have to wait at least half an hour before you go swimming, Billy. Otherwise you'll get cramp and drown.
The theory that eating will cause cramp comes from the idea that the stomach needs an increased blood flow to aid digestion, whilst the muscles need blood to help you swim. As a result, neither can get enough blood to do their jobs, and cramps occur. So let's see if 2,300 calories is enough to stiffen little Billy and send him screaming beneath the waves. Not the best of starts, but yeah, he's okay. And he's even managing a bit of backstroke. So on the basis of this experiment, Mother was wrong.
Yes, but I was right about something else. Go swimming in water that's less than 3 centigrade and you'll be dead in 30 minutes. Bye-bye, Billy.